Hello to one and all. So in the today's video, let us see how to format the tooltips in a Power BI dashboard. In other words, how to make the tooltips more efficient, more beautiful, or else how to keep it more enhanced. Aren't you tired of using the same monotonous gray and white combination of tooltips which is already inbuilt in a Power BI desktop? We can make it better, right? Say for example, if the layout of a Power BI dashboard is dark green, we can keep our tooltip which is light green, which is in contrast with the background. Say for example, if the desktop or the layout of the Power BI desktop is purple or dark blue in color, we can keep it somewhat similar, right? Rather than having it black and white combination all the time, which is inbuilt in Power BI desktop itself, we can make it more efficient, isn't it? Let us see what we are actually talking all about. Let us go to the Microsoft Power BI desktop. Let me launch the Microsoft Power BI desktop and open one of our Power BI desktop report. So this is one of the Power BI desktop report which I have built recently that shows the sales trends and summary across Europe. In fact, various regions of Europe. Over here, if you hover over any visual, trust me, just like you have the option of formatting the visual in a Power BI report, you have an option of formatting the tooltip as well. If you hover over this particular visual in this particular report, you will find various sales by location. Say for example, sales by location Germany, sales by location Ukraine, sales by location Italy. You find whenever you are hovering over the visual, you find the tooltip which is in the black and white combination, or you can say this is dark gray and white combination, isn't it? But if you see the layout of your report, it is purple in color, which is too dark. And this actually gives us a bit odd appearance, isn't it? If your background is purple, can we keep the tooltip color, the tooltip background color, which is quite similar to it? We can, isn't it? We have that option. It's very simple. Trust me, it's really very simple. So in order to do that, let us go to the visualization pane. Now let us go to the format. Over here, just like we have an option of title or background and so on, we have an option of tooltip as well, which is already enabled. It is enabled to the default tooltip which is inbuilt in Power BI in the black and white format. So we need to expand that option, and under type we have report page. Let us select default over here. Over here we have three different components: the label text color, which is light gray, the value text color, which is white in color, and we also have text size. In addition to this, we should be having something called as background color, and we have font family in here. Over here, let us take a light blue color. So this is actually the label text color that we would find in the tooltip, and the values, the various top sales values for various countries in which we have. So that's the color which is present over here. We can take that also similar to sky blue. In addition to this, let us increase the text size of the tooltip so that it becomes more readable and user friendly. Now let us select the font family as Sagio semi bold if we have that option. Here we go. Yeah. Now let us take a background color which is quite similar to purple. Let us go to more colors. Let us take a background color which is quite related to our layout. Yeah, this will be shown. Let us take this color code Click on more colors. It hasn't changed. Okay, let us take something which is dark blue. Yeah. Did you see that? By doing so, you can format your tooltip as per your requirement. You can make the tooltip more efficient, more beautiful, or else eye-catching, just the way you like. So thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, pretty well then. Have a great day. Thank you very much and happy analyzing.